Circles crew, they know the way. From Eugene to Springfield every day. Expert hands at your command, keeping you cool, making life grand. Westside heating, they're the best. For your comfort they'll invest. Since '05 they've been around. Top-notch service, never down. Residential or commercial needs, Westside heating always leads. Cozy winter, summers breezy. With their help it's always easy. Westside heating, they're the best. For your comfort they'll invest. Since '05 they've been around. Top-notch service, never down. Need repair or installation, they're the answer for insulation. Year-round comfort you're assured. With Westside heating, rest assured. Westside heating, they're the best. For your comfort they'll invest. Since '05 they've been around. Top-notch service, never down.